A winery located in the hilly landscapes, the beautiful landscapes of Chianti wine country in the heart of Tuscany, Italy. Castello di Volpaia is a winery, a famous wine estate producing wines from the traditional Tuscan Sangiovese grape variety. Castello di Volpaia makes Chianti Classico wines as well as Chianti Classico Riserva. The estate began its life around the 11th century, and it is in a fortified village on the border between the territories of Florence and Siena, like the rest of the Chianti area. Castello di Volpaia. Castello di Volpaia makes also a Vin Santo, a sweet dessert wine. Castello di Volpaia Vin Santo. Castello di Volpaia. Some of the wines made by Castello di Volpaia include Coltassala, as well as Balifico, il Puro Casanova, il Citto Rosso, Prelius, Cabernet, Sauvignon. I mean, they make a variety of different wines, all from Tuscany, mainly the Chianti Classico. Castello di Volpaia. Castello di Volpaia. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.